Here we are. Ooh. Thursday afternoon. Not the best weather. It's still rainy a little. It's still raining a little bit, and it's windy. So not the best combination, and that's why I don't have any umbrella with me. Yeah, but I said we have to go because the rain will stop. Oh, there is a little bit of sun going on, only in like 2 hours, and at that time there will be, already too dark. Well, it will be quite dark. And based on yesterday, when in the afternoon they once again started to using the fireworks, yeah, and during Lizi, the Kaimurvai Tuki, I don't know if you can see, but it's completely muddy. Yeah, mud, complete mud here. We have to walk here. Oh yeah. And yeah, yesterday then during the night, more fireworks. I don't understand people. Okay, buy it, use it all during the, around the midnight. But how much did you bought that you have to use it, that you still have it the next day, well, night. Oh. But yeah, yesterday I think Liza was a little bit sad because, mom and little sis left. So in the morning yesterday, of course, we didn't even meet Nar. So in the morning she didn't want to eat anything. Okay, we'll be right back. So yeah, as I was trying to say, yesterday in the morning we didn't meet Nar. So no breakfast there. When we came back home, she didn't want to eat. But after our afternoon walk, when little sis came back, she ate everything. And this morning we met Nar, so she got her breakfast there, so she was happy. And she ate, which is, oh yeah, as you can, I don't know if you can see, it resumed raining. Oh yeah, but today it will be even better because mom is coming home in a couple of hours. So she will be quite happy regarding that. Her arrival. Oh yeah. And so yeah, fireworks. I still assume that there will be even more. Well, that they will still use it this evening. But fortunately, during the New Year's Eve, there was only one injury related to the use of fireworks that was reported as such, but it was nothing. It was not as severe as the previous one that I have already mentioned. Lizzie, stoi. I have already mentioned, where the 13-year-old kid most likely lost, you know, his hand. But on the other hand, in Germany, 5 people died because of the uses of fireworks. And with that mean, you know, really just fireworks, not anything, let's say, criminal. Just, you know, 5 people were hit by fireworks, or the device exploded in, you know, too close to them. Lizzie Dost. Now she wants to eat treats and whatever. She has been given a lot of treats today. In the morning, Lil Sis even gave her some eggs when she was eating breakfast. No, so today has had enough. Oh yeah, not the best weather. And yeah, basically, as you can see, almost all of the snow has melted away. Only, let's say, very small quantities of it are left. Okay, we will end on this point for oh yeah, and now the wind, the rain has picked up and it's a little bit freezing. Okay, we will end on this point.